sit back, enjoy the ride. This is Air Raid. Here we go.
It takes years to become a pilot, and just one ride to feel like one.
Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
Going crazy, yo. Why they care, I didn't hate you, oh. Just made you know. Too many things trying to take me home. For the way you go. Yeah. Energy. You want so celibate. Getting high, go fly.
Everybody say yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody say whoa.
Whoa.
Put your hands in the air. Here we go. If you want to go faster, make some noise. Okay, what is? You ready for this? Here we go. Hold tight. Slow it down. Spinning you around and 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 around. Is it wicked? You loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay, what is? We're gonna do it one more time, and this time we're gonna go faster. You're rocking the morning stream right. You ready? You ready? Yeah, this is the next one, and thank you for running. Tell your friends, Air Raid's the number one.
Thank you for riding the Air Raid.
Please exit.
Gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in